My name is Joseph James Kamara. Presently I'm working with Delta Airlines. It becomes so fun to actually be able to touch the planes and try to learn about it. And so I was working there as a supervisor, supervising other people to do the work, to load the planes, offload the planes, and make sure passengers get on the plane safely. You start to think, how will a plane get up? When the plane wants to land, what happens to the plane when it lands? There is always a way for you to apply what you learn in school. And I'm a big fan of that. I don't want you to go to school and just come in and just have certificates. You can apply it. But with Spartan, once you come in, you finish your school, there's always a way for you to apply what you've learned in school. And I keep telling this career will never end. As long as there is aircraft, there's always a work for you to do. Just to come to learn about aircraft, it's fun for me, and I will never forget that experience that I've actually learned from here. I know my mom is so proud of me, and she keeps telling me, you can do it, son. Even though I'm not there, you can do it. And today, I know she's the happiest woman on earth. To finish this program was a tough thing for me because I keep on thinking, how am I going to start this? How am I going to be able to study? How am I going to balance my life? But once you start, you will be able to finish. Just hang on. And today, I would say I've accomplished something in life that I thought I would never accomplish. It is a big day for me, and I'm going to celebrate this day. It's a day I will never forget. And I'm setting the example for my children to follow, that no matter what age you find yourself in, you still have room to improve your life. There's a bright light waiting for you at the end of the tunnel. And today, I'm a proud father, a proud man. I'm happy to be here to show that the world that we can do it as long as you put your eyes to it and your mind to it.